guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diva, and I'm here with another video. For those who are new, hello, welcome, and for my return subscribers, hey. Anyway guys, I really want to do like a quick, well, I would say it's a quick video, but not a quick video. I want to be discussing this new Superfix Supergrip primer from Revolution. It is $7.99. Yeah, I want to try this, but before I get into the video, please hit the subscribe button, making sure all your notification bells are on, so when your girl pops up, you don't miss the video. Right guys, so let's talk about this. Obviously I'm a bit old. I'm a bit old to it, but it's not like really old. I would say it's about 5 months old, I'm guessing. I haven't done my research, but I just remembered seeing it on the website and said it was new. And I do love a drugstore makeup, and I do love a good price. So I thought, why not try this? So this is the new Superfix Supergrip primer. It hydrates but with a glow, and it's smooth. So it's meant to have like a good hold on your makeup, but at the same time it hydrates. And it's with, is it hyaluronic acid? I don't know if I'm saying it right, hyaluronic acid. And has watermelon extracts and amino acids. This is what the package looks like. From seeing this, I think the formula is pink. Oh god. Wait, I did it the wrong way around, sorry. Wait, why does this not want to come off? Guys, you see what I mean? This is how you know this video is not staged, because I can't even open up my... Guys, I don't know what's going on, but it seems to be stuck. I should take it back, this ain't a good thing. Revolution, what's going on? Like, what is this? I'll try one more time to undo it. If I can't do it, I'm just gonna have to test it like that. Following after that, I'm just gonna do a full face with Revolution. I'm going to Ash's concert today, by the way, so yeah, all works in hand in hand. Oh, there it is, voila. So this is what it looks like. Let me just get into the video. Right, so I'm gonna put this on my finger. Okay, it's coming out now. It's coming out now. Okay, this is the consistency, and yeah, it's running down my finger. So I'm gonna place it on my T-zones. Ooh, oh, this smells, guys, this smells so good. It actually smells like watermelon, and they did say this is no cruelty on the animals. It's vegan free as well. Oh god, guys, this feels so, it does have that hydrating feel, so I could get what they're saying with this. It does blur your pores as well. Let me just wait a couple of seconds before I put and start my makeup, guys. But yeah, guys, guys, this smells good. That suppleness. I'm gonna take that IRL Filter foundation in the shade 13.2, and I'm just gonna slap this all on my face, guys. For guys you don't know, this is Revolution Soft Matte, so it's not fully matte, but it's like half matte, if that makes sense. It's their 16-hour wear one as well, so I'm just gonna put that on. So guys, I just literally blended that out. Sorry, I didn't show you guys how I did it. I disguised the Revolution foundation. Look how it looks on my face. That's so good. It looks really good against this primer. Like, now I'm going to use the RAL Filter Finish concealer in the shade 12.5. This is basically the matching concealer to the foundation that I have used. So I'm just going to put it on. To be honest, it's the first time I actually used this concealer. I thought, let me just try it. So I'm just going to quickly just place it there. Okay. Okay, RAL concealer. Okay, you're doing bits. It's actually not too, it does blend out nicely though. It is kind of lightweight, I would say, but it is okay for what it is. Oh my gosh, just blend this out. I'm using Revolution pressed powder in the color dark. I just wanted to put it round the perimeters of my face. Do you guys prefer a cream bronzer, or do you prefer powdered bronzers? Let me know, guys. Alright, let me just take off this band, guys, because the band just, I need to fix the makeup around my forehead. So I've brought back some warmth to my face because my skin looks so good. I'm gonna take the banana powder. Take one of these little blenders here. Dust it up. I'm just gonna press that into my face. Put it in the middle of my forehead. Let's do a little reverse contour. So I added some under eye. Now I'm going to take the Big Lash Reloaded Revolution mascara. I'm going to take the blush. This is in the color Rose Kiss. Rose Kiss? Yeah. So this is what it is. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to take my blush brush. And I'm just going to so I have to rub it a few times. Oh, this is cute. Now we're gonna take the Revolution highlighter reloaded in the color Make It Impact. I'm gonna just take my powder brush and I'm just gonna go and just put this shimmer everywhere. Oh, I'm glowing, guys, I'm glowing. I am going to use the Revolution Pout Liner. And this is what it looks like. I ain't tried this before. Fake the filler. I don't think I had to fake my filler, but I'm gonna put it on now. Apparently stings your lips. God. I don't want my lips to sting. And I'm gonna take the Revolution Hydro Bomb lip gloss and put it on my lip. So guys, this is what my lips look like. Like, come on guys, a full face of Revolution. Like, it's not too bad, is it? Like, it's not too bad. And last but not least, let me use the Superfix Super Misting Spray. This is the partner, this is the daddy, this is the mother. I don't know. These are the duo. So I'm gonna put this on my face. That's what it looks like. Woo! Take off that powder effect off my face. Guys, this top here, I don't know where this top is, if this top's going that way, this way, like this is actually irritating me. Right guys, my face is like semi-dry, but I cannot stay here, I need to get to this concert. But anyway guys, my face does feel very light, very refreshed. To be honest, I don't even feel like I've even got makeup on. So guys, if you guys are interested in this Superfix primer, Superfix? Yeah, Superfix primer. It is $7.99. Go to your local drugstore, and yeah, it has obviously good benefits to it. So this is my full face using Revolution makeup and using this new primer grip. Would you guys rate it? Would you rate it, guys? Oh, it's top. But anyway, guys, I should love and leave you, and I shall see you guys on my next video, okay? Bye.